So here's some examples you can make with the scrap wood. This was parts of the element box I made. It's just a blackened epoxy poured into a jigsaw cut hole to make the symbols of the box, kind of like the one I'm making right now. Those Hobby Lobby stuff on it. It's a flag box. That's the element box assembled. And one with stained glass in it. So it gives you an idea what you can do. Just a few pieces of wood, a little bit of time. And it doesn't have to be stained glass. You can just put regular glass, or wood.